We're joined now by Dr. Kris Hiney, our Extension equine specialist. Kris, we understand the horse owners workshops are kicking off or are about to for the spring. Let's talk about that today.
Yeah, so we're doing it virtually this year on Thursday nights. So every Thursday in March, we'll have 2 seminars, and generally they're devoted towards either adult leaders of youth, general horse owners, and just some more advanced veterinary topics.
Let's talk about some of the topics you plan to cover this time around.
So we're going to have a special on equine eye injuries, equine allergies, information every horse owner needs as far as year-round veterinary care, and then we have several seminars that are about helping our youth learn about horses and some youth development pieces.
And who are these workshops designed for? Who do you want to tune in to learn more?
Yeah, so we really designed them to have different levels of education. So they're applicable for owners that are just getting started, that need a basic background, to some of the topics are more advanced or digging a little deeper, so to speak. And then again, anybody that interacts with youth or teen leaders, 4-H educators, etc., they're all appropriate for those guys.
You mentioned youth. There's another layer to that 4-H component this year. Talk about that and how that piece got going.
Yeah, we're really excited. This year we're going to start out having equestrians with disabilities section in 4-H. So that's the first year we'll be offering that. And so really fortunate, many of the members of PATH International, Region 8, are actually doing a seminar for us, essentially teaching riding for riders of all abilities.
You do want people to register in advance for these, right?
Yeah, so we actually are charging a registration fee of $10 for all 8 seminars, but that actually all the proceeds I'm going to use to support our Equestrians with Disabilities program. If they are interested in signing up, you can just go to osuhorse.com and look for Horse Owners Workshop, follow the link, and register online.
Thanks a lot, Kris. And for a link to the registration site, just go to sunup.okstate.edu.